We have an update. Eli Tomac today, as I'm reading this, or 5 hours ago as I'm reading this, posted on his Instagram saying, quote, update, finally back on the motorcycle tomorrow. I have been out on my MTB mountain bike a few times trying to build confidence and strength back in my thumb. It's been a long recovery, but is now starting to make real progress with the pins removed. When will I be back? That's still TBD, but I'm sure after a few rides I'll know a realistic time frame, hoping around Bud's Creek. Now obviously this is great. Anything anything you can get the Webbs, Tomacs, Roxons, all those people that have been injured for all of outdoors back, it's going to just make racing better. Obviously, they're probably not going to be, you know, full fitness, full form, whatever you want to call it. But anybody at that level, like the Tomax, the tip of the iceberg of people, the top 001 of the 001% of people racing is going to be good. Um, I'm excited because I like Tomac. I think he's fast. He's always super fit, and I'm assuming with a hand injury, he still has, like you said, he can still ride a mountain bike. He can still train. You just can't do, racing or jumping on a motorcycle. But the fitness side of things, he's still going to be good, especially in Colorado at altitude. He's going to be training, working out, staying fit. So I think by the time he comes back, it's probably not going to be as bad of a transition as you think. It's just going to get that extra little, like, half a gear or whatever you want to call it of race speed. But if he's back for Bud's Creek, that means he's get some racing time under his belt before SMX, and hopefully that's good. Hopefully that's going to be a positive thing. I mean, like I say, I always want to see the best competition, the best guys racing it all the time. Roxon out, Tomac out. It's kind of just a weird outdoor season, and obviously this is going to happen probably pretty soon with Tomac, Webb, Roxon, all of them getting older. You're probably going to be retiring in the next 2 or 3 years. Who knows when? So the next generation is going to have to come up and fill these spots. But at the moment, hopefully he's back. Hopefully we get some good racing, some good challenges. Somebody to, I don't know, come out front and challenge Chase Sexton if Hunter Lawrence can't with Jet out. And obviously they're well out of the championship. It doesn't matter, but you bet you could come and steal some points, change some points, get some podiums and wins, and kind of fiddle things around. But I don't know. I think it's good, especially that we have some sort of update, and this is, if he gets an actual realistic timeline and can post that and tell people like, yeah, I will be here for that, or no, it's going to be a little bit longer. At least we know. Obviously he's not. I don't think he's the biggest social media guy, so it's not surprising that we don't see or hear a lot from him. But I don't know. Comments down below. Tell me what you think. Are you excited for him to come back? Do you think he'll be back for rounds Bud Creek if he's just on the bike now? Or just for SMX? Whatever it is. Comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.